थैंक यू फॉर टाइम यार। तो वैल्यू सर्कल्स के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से मतलब क्या जर्नी थी आपकी, व्हाट वाज दैट कीड़ा, मतलब आपने जो स्टैंसी में इतना जो बढ़िया सा जॉब था, ये एक अच्छा सा खुशी सा जॉब था, वो सब छोड़ छाड़ के मतलब क्या सूझा कि यार ये शुरू करते हैं, एंड व्हाट वाज द पैशन दैट ड्राइव्ड यू, व्हाट वाज इट?
See, but if you want me, shall I give you a? I don't want to give you a glorified version. The point which was always stuck with me when I was in Stancy, when I was with ICICI Bank was middle class was always shortchanged in terms of service from the all the and across the vendors in the lifespan of a middle class. मेरे को घर खरीदना है, I will never be have money on my own to buy that house. I need compulsorily loan to buy the house.
बिल्कुल.
And now for a 5 second, imagine your ecosystem. This is going to be my biggest purchase of my life. This is going to create the biggest liability of my life, which I'll be, if it runs its course, by the time I am done repaying this loan, I'll be officially old. Okay? So, and this is going to suck almost 50% of my monthly income. So you can imagine how much it will push back in terms of my financial health, my mental health, as well as the perceived well-being of mine if I take a wrong step. So मैं जब industry में था, I was realizing कि बस we were trying to do so many things, but it was turning out to same thing. Customer complaints were going everywhere. Ombudsman mein, if you start seeing the record ever since they launched, it is every year there's only one way traffic. वो ऊपर कस्टमर बेचारा चिल्लाया जा रहा है, मेरे को परेशानी है. So I thought that maybe I can help in this by maybe if I empower the customer by way of giving him the information what he or she needs to take a call on these critical loans of his or her life, maybe she'll be better off. So that was the base premise and on which we started.
समझा. So before थोड़ा आगे बढ़े, अगर आप मतलब ये बात तो सब बढ़िया है, एक वैल्यू सर्कल्स का एक आप थोड़ा सा एक ओवरव्यू देंगे तो कॉन्टेक्स्ट मिलेगा वो हिसाब से.
So Value Circle was basically launched to remove the uncertainty linked to the most important loan of our lives. What we were trying to do in Value Circle is basically using our industry know-how, knowledge, build an engine which had the ability to mimic a lender's point of view of a borrower. मतलब basically we are trying to see कि आप जब लोन अप्लाई करते हो तो बैंक क्या-क्या चीजें आपकी देखता है before it decides to grant you the loan or deny the loan.
बिल्कुल.
So basically क्या है कि आप you are getting more knowledge from the perspective of these loans which you are planning to take. उसके बाद आप you take a call, and then we were also trying to connect you with the right lender. So basically we were actually trying to do Bharat Matrimony of housing finance.
Right.
Got it.
Yeah. So when I met you back in Chennai and you were talking about all this, the whole idea about value circles, मैं सोच रही थी यार ये तो बहुत बढ़िया सा लग रहा है एकदम, मतलब it's spot on for people like us who are always confused about which loan to take from where.
Correct.
So, what was that moment for you when you thought यार ये it will make it big?
This is an entrepreneur's bug. You always feel that you are just around the corner from $1 million. बस एक और turn उधर $1 million है, एक right उधर $1 million है. I mean, jokes apart, I think that's what drives us, right? I mean, as an entrepreneur, even though people will tell you कि boss सब कुछ गलत है, or you believe in your idea, and the idea which I believed in and the problem which I was trying to solve did not come from any books. I mean, there were no books for that. I mean, I have been in the industry for substantial amount of time, so I could sense the problem which customer was facing, the challenges that the bankers were having with their own training and manpower issues. Which is then the the customer having to deal with the lender ke banda who himself is not trained about the product and the process. So we always thought that we have hit a sweet spot and we will make it big. So it was never a question, a doubt in our mind ki nahi hoga. So it's a entrepreneur's curse, what we call, right? कि हम we even though when we in the खाई itself we say कि बस निकल आएंगे इससे.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. तो एक स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम में एक नोशन है कि यार जो मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द टाइम्स स्टार्टअप्स जो कोई बंदा शुरू करता है वो अगर पैशन से शुरू कर रहा है, so it somewhere stems from a problem that he faced somewhere in his life or he saw his on a family face.
Correct.
So is that somewhere applicable to this piece as well?
See, my father was a teacher in a college, so the income cannot be very high, right? And to get the loan for and coming from a small town of Allahabad, तो छोटे शहर में आप एक साथ बड़ा घर नहीं बनाते, आप पहले 2 कमरे बनाओगे फिर ऐड करोगे धीरे धीरे. So I remember जब उन्होंने अप्लाई किया लोन के लिए, उनको 6 महीने लग गया लोन मिलने में. उनको पैसा खिलाना पड़ा लोन के लिए. तो जो बंदा का इनकम इज ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट एज एनीबडी कैन बी, अगर उस जैसे बंदे और उस जैसे प्रोफाइल के बंदे को भी अगर इतना तकलीफ हो रही है, सो इट वाज ऑलवेज इन माय माइंड. आई मीन दैट्स व्हाई आई चोज टू जॉइन अ बैंक की फ्रॉम दिस स्ट्रेट फ्रॉम कैंपस व्हेन एससीबी केम कि बस इज इट पॉसिबल फॉर मी टू, because it always I saw my father undergoing so much strain in this, right? But there is no black money to give. You actually giving a white money as black money. Can you imagine the plight of those people? Right. I don't have an avenue of getting black money. I am getting my salary which is all white. I am paying requisite tax. उसमें से मैं withdraw करके cash, I am making that white money into black and give somebody else.
बिल्कुल,
so
बिल्कुल.
Those things stayed with me even when I took a conscious call of joining banking as an industry. So somewhere maybe background में वो था कि बस अगर, और lot of customers I realized कि I could not help because when I was also part of the industry where maybe because see every entity or an organization has its own way of looking at a customer, right? But for a customer or a home buyer, for example, you are not aligned to Standard Chartered Bank or ICICI or HDFC. आपको इतना पैसा चाहिए, आपको अच्छे टर्म्स में पैसा चाहिए,
बिल्कुल,
जो आपको बेसिकली आपकी लाइफ तबाह नहीं करेगा, राइट? तो there was, so long story short, maybe that would have been those thoughts going through my mind when I thought कि why not do something else and why not do something in this segment? Because I felt that housing is an important segment, least technologically interrupted segment. The existing players were having very bad conversion ratio. I don't want to take the platform ka naam. When I was with the banks and we were actually managing those platforms from those banks. So the conversion ratio was so bad, less than 1%.
Okay.
So the problem was ki there was a customer was never getting the due. The sales guy was getting fatigued by following up with kachara leads. So overall experience was not the. I thought we can do something better.
So one question that I had was that when you were leaving your job and starting your own company, did you kind of have koi safety net? That saves you in case the startup goes wrong.
My safety net was my wife.
Okay.
मैंने बोला बॉस देखो अभी ये करना है, I want to do this and these are the reasons why I want to do this and I think we have the potential of making it a successful venture. तो मैंने कहा, तो she said okay, I am there. So she was my safety net in this. See, most of us do not have very sound financial background, right? Or most of us. We come from middle class. I think that's how if you see the startups being entrepreneur का जो profile देखोगे, most of us, 90% people do not come from very, very financially sound and taken care kind of backgrounds, right? I mean, you come up with and the only thing which supports us is the surrounding folks, the family, the near and dear ones who support. If there is firefight happening in your personal life and there is firefighting happening constantly in your professional life, your chances of screwing up in professional life is very high.
Right. So are you saying subconsciously somewhere you prioritize your personal life over your professional life, even if you are an entrepreneur?
I think this is a very individual question, right? Did I do this? It allowed me one freedom to spend time with my very small children and work on some passion of mine which I was working. Had I been involved in high pressure jobs of sales which I was part of, maybe I would not able to spend time so much with my my second born, and I always regret my first born because I was in high pressure job and I was always traveling, being in sales. Lot of my first child those formative years I missed, but my second child I was able to maybe spend time more with her because of that control of time which I had.
So एक सेफ्टी नेट के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से मेरे दिमाग में एक ख्याल आ रहा था कि जो मेजॉरिटी ऑफ जो वानबी एंटरप्रेन्योर्स होते हैं और एस्पायरिंग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स होते हैं, नॉट वानबी, जो कि एक 18-19 साल की एज से
कुछ वानबी भी होते हैं,
हाँ वो तो है ही। तो मतलब वो लोग जो सोच रहे हैं ना कि 18-19 साल की यार कुछ तो करना है, कुछ उखाड़ लेंगे, ये वो, मतलब स्टीव जॉब्स का वीडियो देख लिया एंड एट सम पॉइंट दे गेट एन इंस्पिरेशन एंड दैट एट सम पॉइंट मैनिफेस्ट। तो जब वो मैनिफेस्ट आने आता है कॉलेज प्लेसमेंट के बाहर हो रहे हैं एमबीए करके 25 साल की उम्र पे, एंड दे आर लाइक कि यार मतलब अभी यहाँ पे 10 लाख का प्लेसमेंट मिल रहा है और यहाँ पे एक स्टार्टअप अपॉर्चुनिटी हाथ में है। सो यहाँ पे मेजर रीजन होता है कि अगर जॉब ले रहे हो तो मेजर रीजन इसकी सेफ्टी नेट नहीं है। सो व्हाट इज द एडवाइस, मतलब अगर खुद के लिए खुद की सेफ्टी नेट बनानी पड़े किसी को, लाइक नॉट मतलब कभी आइडिया है हाथ में, दे थिंक द आइडिया इज गोना बी गुड, तो कैसे, क्या कॉल कैसे ले सकते हैं कि यार ये सेफ्टी नेट कैसे बनाई जाए और ये आइडिया को परस्यू करा जाए कि नहीं करा जाए?
सी, दो तीन चीजें आपको हमेशा ध्यान रखनी है, बिकॉज इफ यू वांट टू बी एन एंटरप्रेन्योर, यू नो देयर गोइंग टू बी अ मेजर स्ट्रगल, देयर गोइंग टू बी अ मेजर फाइनेंशियल कंस्ट्रेंट पुट आपके ऊपर आएगा। नाउ if you are not willing to cut down on your on certain expenditures, the way your lifestyle, and if that entire passion does not take over your being, then according to me you are still a wannabe entrepreneur. So आपका financial situation अगर खराब है, relative terms according to you, because you are the best judge,
right,
then you do on the side. Nobody has ever stopped you from doing side gigs, right?
Right.
You keep working on your prototype, you keep working on your idea, keep gathering more information, and once you feel that the boss, because another point over here comes, you will never be 100% ready for a jump.
बिल्कुल
there will always be a sense of कि boss सही कर रहा हूँ कि गलत कर रहा हूँ, because by the time you, and I am telling you now, for anybody, by the time most of us think कि boss सही कर रहा हूँ गलत कर रहा हूँ, it is already very late.
Right.
I mean, that's how is there a playbook today available of entrepreneurship? Because ये पढ़ लो और तुम एकदम सीधे you will do like this. It does not do like that, right?
और एक इम्पोर्टेंट चीज जो इसमें मेरे दिमाग में आ रही थी फ्रॉम एन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, यार अगर आप स्टार्टअप चालू कर रहे हो, इट ड्रेन्स यू आउट लाइक हेल। मतलब हर चीज में, पर्सनली, प्रोफेशनली, फाइनेंशियली आप ड्रेन हो रहे हो। जब तक आप रेज नहीं कर रहे तो फाइनेंशियली भी ब्लीड हो रहे हो। तो वहां ये पॉइंट कब आता है जब समझ में आ रहा है कि ये तो नहीं चल रहा, बिकॉज द एंटरप्रेन्योर एज अ क्रीचर इज एन इटर्नली ऑप्टिमिस्टिक गाय।
आई थिंक वो जजमेंट अगेन इज अ कॉल व्हिच दैट पर्सन इज टेकिंग, ओके? Lot of times people pause it, don't close it, and keep it on a slow burner and do something else and come back. My personality is because I can't do too many things at the same time.
Right.
Okay. So I had to take a call when Corona hit, and the other challenge which we were facing was there was inherent differences among the founders as well. Which also a problem which if it's there, irrespective of the dhande ka potential, irrespective of where you are, there is a problem. So we had two problems, which one was COVID was an issue and there was an internal difference in the founders. So I took a call ki boss, dekho, it is not worth it.
बिल्कुल
Losing your sanity is not worth anything.
Definitely.
You can always come back and do something else.
Right.
You have learned the trade, hopefully you have learned from the mistakes, and you now know the vanity vis-a-vis what is the true gap. So it's a call which I as a personal individual took, ki boss, ab ye not worth it doing. Maybe we were, I have done enough mistakes to make it a point of no return. Ki boss, abhi, let us finish it off and do something else. We will use the learnings and we will use our know-how, we will use our network, because objective was what? Helping people in making the right financial choice. That was the motherly objective, right? There are a lot of other ways we can do this. Right?
Bilkul.
Not necessarily that I lose my sanity trying to do this in one way which has not worked. Let us try to do something other way.
Right. Bilkul.
So have I found the right way? Not yet. We are all searching, the way we are discussing right now, right? The search is still on. But I killed it when I realized it was not worth it. Now this again is an individual call which people take. किसी को जल्दी आता है, किसी को देर में आता है, किसी को सब खत्म होने के बाद आता है. तो I didn't want to lose everything, especially my mental sanity. तो मैंने कहा बस उसको बंद करो. Let us take a pause. Let us become a nomad and do too many things. See, explore some more, and then come back.
From waking up every day morning, back then when you were thinking that yaar kuch startup karna hai, to actually waking up every day morning and thinking that isko bada banana hai, and now waking up every day morning and thinking ab aage kya karna hai, what was the state of your mental health?
Have you been on a roller coaster?
Yes.
I am shit scared, and so I do not ever go on roller coaster. I just see and say wave bye to my children, my wife. I never go on it. I feel the life I led was roller coaster ride. Exuberant highs of, see, it was greenfield venture. It was never done. I am not a technocrat who then trying to build a platform where actual customer is coming, customer is using, customer is giving reviews. Because of you, I was able to do this transaction very well. Unbelievable. That feeling when a third party who is not related to you comes to your platform, uses your platform, gives a positive feedback, WhatsApps you, because I was the principal sales guy of my platform. So I was interacting with all my customers. So then Atul ki boss tum nahi hote, so this was a major problem journey. And then from there, suddenly you find ki I decided to take a call and ki nahi karne ka, and suddenly there's a huge vacuum. And every day morning when you wake up, there's nothing to look forward to. I think that feeling of mine got slightly subdued because I had my family with me on this. Maybe if I was alone, I think that feeling would have been more profound. I feel. I mean, maybe I'm wrong. I think that's where the startup ecosystem, when I say for an entrepreneur ecosystem, your friends, your near dear ones play a huge role, because I can tell you it can be really depressing if there are people not around you to support and pull you up.
So you experienced roller coaster without actually being on it.
Seriously, I never wanted to be, but I think there is somewhere somebody's written something about me, तो बस उसको डाला उधर, तो डाला और ऐसा लिया कि कुछ पूछने की बात नहीं. But I will not trade anything. At each stage of this, you learn new things about yourself. What are you made of? I think when things are not going well is where you find. And are you able to get up from the bed every day morning on those days, on those nights, or on those when you know that क्या हो क्या रहा है boss ये life में, but you are still able to pick up yourself and dust yourself and do something else and think ahead. I think that's where the mettle of the person shows.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. So having said that, like will you be crazy enough to do this again? मतलब अगर कुछ ऐसे फिर से एक पैशन जलता है, एक आग ऐसे आती है अंदर, यार ये करना है, ये तो अभी होगा, तो मतलब आर यू क्रेजी इनफ कि यार ये तो अभी करेंगे, भाड़ में क्या सब कुछ वापस करना है?
See, आग never dies, okay? I personally do not think that there can be a professional entrepreneur. So it depends on situation. Will I take a plunge again? You never know. Once an entrepreneur, true blood is always an entrepreneur. You will not. Most of the entrepreneurs will who I have met, they will say they will never take back those years when they were in the fire. They will never take back. Whether they got totally burnt and they are doing something else, or they are burnt and then they evolved and they rose like a phoenix. But they never said, I will take back those years where it was like being in hell. Because in my mind, I am not in hell. I am trying to work on a plan. I think I have right plan. I think I have right business idea. I think I have right people. But third party will not look like that. बोला ये क्या चंपक है बॉस, ये नहीं चलेगा ये. So that is how it is.
Ultimately, I think at that point of time, what matters is how you perceive yourself. दूसरे तो कैसे perceive करेंगे, but अगर तुम अपने आप को ये situation में perceive करते हो, then you have got some thinking to do. If you feel fine, everything is as simple as that.
So I think it's a self-learning journey is tremendous. अगर आपके पास ये कुछ अगर आप, and that's why I always suggest everybody when they ask you, boss, immediately graduation के बाद shall I do an MBA? I said, boss, either you go work for a startup or you try to do something on your own.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, if you're able to do these two things, you will then get an idea of you will not get the clear idea, but you will even get 1-2% of what actual life is. Because the life is full of struggles for most of us, and it is better that before we jump into a professional degree, we understand that.
Having said that, जो आप बात कर रहे थे 2 मिनट पहले, देश भर से entrepreneurs आ रहे हैं, they are doing all sorts of things, without degrees, without backgrounds. उन सब entrepreneurs के लिए, as a fellow entrepreneur who is an entrepreneur by passion and मतलब always an entrepreneur वाला जो scene है, तो मतलब उनके लिए आपका क्या एक टिप्पणियां है, मतलब what do's don'ts अगर आपके इनसे अगर आप कुछ बोल सकते हैं उनको तो?
See, I think that is where the problem comes in. There are no do's and don'ts. What has worked for me may not work for you. What has worked for you may not work for me.
Right.
But I think what we need to always keep in mind basics, I think. See, you need to understand the situation. In our country, laws are not very strong.
Mm-hmm.
Laws are not very supportive. You know what happened to that angel tax, how people got stuck in that. I am not trying to, most of the people who got stuck in that angel tax did not, I think, realize that they will ever get stuck into that. But I do not know what is happening. My focus is I'm trying to build a company, trying to build a product, trying to build a service. Abhi ek aur pungi aa gaya, which something which is only distracting me from what I'm trying to do, right?
Right.
So, I think the only thing is in this, if you want to do this, get ready to be ambushed at any point of time on anything.
Bilkul,
and anyone, even your family, your loved ones, your friends and your peers. Even if you don't believe that you're solving an actual problem,
right,
you will be in for an absolutely amazing ride. If you are not, if you think that you sitting in an AC room and second thing, AC room and nice computers will give you the real life scenario, it does not happen here. On the road, 40 degrees will give you the real life scenario.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. So, picking up from that, अपना ये जो आपने बात करी कि यार ये एसी रूम से यार घंटा तुम्हें कुछ समझ में आने वाला है, हिट द स्ट्रीट सब जगह सब अकल आएगी. तो वहां पे मतलब वहां पे एक जो फ्रूगैलिटी का पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है, हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट डू यू थिंक इट इज फॉर एन एंटरप्रेन्योर टू बी फ्रूगल?
Every chawanni matters. You can be Tata Birla's bacha, you can be whoever, but if you are not taking care of every chawanni, again you will be in for a rude shock. And I mean, we glorify the investors' money. We glorify what I have learned from those grassroots ke jo people who like, for example, when you go to a small place like E-Road in southern Tamil Nadu, and they have it's called Haldi ka capital, Haldi, this thing, right?
Right.
So
right.
small people, they come up with come up as traders there to sell their produce. See, that guy knows because he has to fight for every transaction, every penny, and that is how he claws back that money back in the business. You start signing the checks without understanding ki boss, can I save even 10%, 5%, 1%, 6%? You need to get that mindset from the start.
Bilkul.
Because not everybody has Flipkart people signing off checks, and I'm pretty sure when they were there at that time also, they would have they didn't have a blank check with them.
Right.
So you need to go to your customer. The only way to check your idea and ensure that you have your business will work is keep your financial management as much better as possible. May not be perfect, and go to your customer as fast as possible.
Got it.
Because I mean, this is something which I feel that I also should have done. And I wasted my almost 12-18 months in not going to the customer and trying to build a perfect product. Because as Reid Hoffman says, no, if you are not ashamed of the first product, that means you are too late.
Makes sense, यार. मतलब what you are trying to say कि customer से constant feedback लेते हुए बनाना चाहिए, then it will fall into a एक प्रोटोटाइप जो कि सही बन सकता है आगे.
करेक्ट. आप कुछ भी है बनाओ, लेकिन उसको टेस्ट करो. जो बंदा आपको पैसा देने वाला है अल्टीमेटली कस्टमर है, वो इन्वेस्टर नहीं है.
बिल्कुल.
कस्टमर का फीडबैक कैसा है इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फीडबैक फॉर अस. एवरीथिंग एल्स इज जस्ट गैस एंड वैनिटी मैट्रिक्स. इन्वेस्टर का फीडबैक ओनली मैटर्स नाउ, एंड वी ऑल सी वेयर इन्वेस्टर फीडबैक व्हाट हैपेंस टू दोस स्टार्टअप्स. Ultimately, it all boils down to customer service and your customer giving you feedback.
बिल्कुल. तो I think एक last question जो मेरे दिमाग में था कि यार for someone specifically जो fintech जैसी segment होती है उसमें founders are normally someone जिनको domain expertise होती है and they have been at good position corporates में. तो for someone like that, and you yourself being in that situation, what was the most contrasting point between your corporate life versus your startup life? मतलब जो ऐश और आराम की जिंदगी थी और vis-a-vis this, so what has been the most contrasting point in that way?
जो SMS नहीं आया 30 तारीख को. You understand that SMS?
Right. बिल्कुल.
Then you realize कि बस capital is only one way traffic.
Right.
So we are so used to 30 तारीख का SMS, right? टंग आया शाम को 6 बजे, amount got credited. वो जब नहीं आता ना, so when it never came, I missed it.
But overall the learnings, जो भी experience you have doing building a startup covers up for that missing part.
No, but that is only momentary. I mean, you don't get it, but half the time we are already high on our own idea, right? And that kind of high no drug can ever give you. And an entrepreneur high on his or her idea is the epitome of highness. I mean, there's nothing beyond it.
thumbs up on why don't I get high.
yes. So then some of us feel कि बस ये मजा नहीं आ रहा है. उसके बाद external high ले लेगा, then you're not getting that euphoric high. So I mean, it is unbeatable feeling. The first customer coming in on the platform, seamlessly doing the transaction, going out, and then giving you feedback. Undescribable है वो. People die for that, and that is what drives for the next venture, right? That feeling. कि बॉस को it's perfect नशा कि बस मैंने बोला 3.5 मिनट में in and out he will be in platform. He went out in 2.5 minutes only, and he got the information. And he gave 4 star. Why he never gave 5 star? That's a different story. But he.
Having said that, any closing remarks or anything that you'd like to leave a thought with the next generation of entrepreneurs?
I mean, I am part of the generation, so I will not say next generation. I will say.
Budding entrepreneurs जो भी पहली
खुदने वाले. हाँ, तो जो चूजे हैं.
Exactly, जो चूजे हैं अभी.
So nothing. Get ready for a roller coaster ride. It is, and it's going to be worth it. It's going to be a worth jump. No amount of college, no amount of mother, father, no amount of anybody else will be able to teach you what streets teach you, what your customer teaches you, what your vendor will teach you, what your partner will teach you. Those learnings will only make you better human being. I think that's what we should all aspire to be, right? Better human beings than what 2020 we were. So I think if monetary is the only reason we are doing it, I think we will end up more likely getting a shock, because you're monetarily you feel more down initially than we see 1.4 crores ka salary. So how many years he spent not getting even 1 paisa of salary, you don't see that. But that is how the life is. So lage raho, bane raho aur koodo. This country needs it.
Thank you so much, Atul. This was
pleasure.
Really amazing. बड़ा मजा आ गया, and candid रहे आप. That was awesome. Thank you so much for doing this.
My pleasure.